If you're developing with Gemini, you're going to need an API key, and it's very easy to get one. My name is Abdullah. You're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video, we're talking about how you can get a Gemini API key. So the first thing that you need to do is actually head over to this Google AI for Developers page. I'll leave the link for this in the description below, but this essentially has all the instruction on sending your first Gemini API request, keeping your API key secure, and setting up your API key. So the first thing we're going to do in here is go ahead and click on this Get a Gemini API Key in Google AI Studio button, which will open up the Google AI Studio. Do keep in mind, if you haven't logged into your Google account yet, you will be asked to log in between these two pages. So just go ahead and do that. Only use the Google account that you want the Gemini API key to be associated with, because otherwise you'll just run into conflicts with different Google accounts. So it's time to build. You have two options here. You can either get the API key or try Gemini in the Google AI Studio. We need to get the API key. It will give you some terms and conditions. So make sure you consent to them, then click accept. And now you will be in the API key section of the Google AI Studio. What we need to do is come down here, and you will see all of your active project key, API keys if you have any. Since we don't have none at the moment, we're going to go ahead and click on Create API Key. Now this is going to open up a box which is going to take a second to load, so we'll wait. And that's it. It has just given me an API key right here. You can copy him right away, or just make sure that you don't share this with the public or embed them in open source code or hard coded in a repository you're planning on updating. Regardless, here is your API key. So it gets assigned a project number, project name. This is going to be your API key, and this is going to be your plan, which, as you can see, is free of charge at the moment. And then you can go ahead and delete any API keys from this section as well to manage your Gemini API keys. And it really is that simple. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below if you'd like us to make more of these videos. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.